How to change app icons in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app icons on Windows 11. It's super quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, find the app that you want to change the icon for. For this video, I'll use Adobe Illustrator as an example, but you can pick any app. So here simply right click the app and from the pop-up menu simply select properties. You can also click the app once to highlight it and then press Alt plus Enter to open properties. And here in the properties window, make sure you are on the shortcut tab, and once you are on the shortcut tab, simply click on the change icon button, and from the pop-up menu simply click on browse to find your custom icon. Now navigate to where your icon is saved, usually in pictures or downloads. But make sure that the icon file is in .ico format. Regular image files like PNG or JPG won't work. So select the .ico file and click open and then OK. And after that, hit apply and then OK again. And just like that, your app now has a custom icon. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.